Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is regarding fan regulator of ceiling fan. Okay guys, stay tuned. Okay, here we have two brand of fan regulator. Okay, one is KDK and the other is National. In this video, we're going to see what inside this fan regulator. Alright, okay, how it works and a bit of wiring information. Alright. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, this fan regulator, alright. This is a front cover. Okay. Okay, this is a wiring diagram. Okay. Okay, in front this got a round knob here. Okay, got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a fan speed control. Okay, 0. Okay, the fan is not moving. Okay. 1, the fan speed is at the lower speed. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Okay, the fan is at the higher speed. Alright. Okay, we're going to open this fan regulator cover and see what inside it. Okay, right. We're going to loosen the screw. Okay. Alright. So we're going to open it. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, this is the base of the fan regulator. Okay, this one to be installed on the wall, right? Okay, okay, this is what inside the fan regulator. Okay, okay, this one is the selective switch, and this one is known as the condenser or the capacitor. All right. Okay, this is the first regulator. Okay, National. Okay. I'm going to open the second regulator. Okay, KDK. Alright. Okay, this is the base. Okay. Okay, we can see that both have the same thing inside. Okay. Okay, this is a selective switch. This one is the condenser or the capacitor. Okay, we compare these two. Okay, they have the same parts. Right, this is KDK and this is National. Okay, we're going to look more detail at the this selective switch. Okay, can you see the L here? Okay, got a brown wire here. Okay, L, got brown wire here. Okay, this yellow wire is this label 1. Okay, okay, cannot see the number. Okay, yellow is label number 1. Okay, okay, this blue wire is label number 2. Okay, 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 number 2, the blue wire. Okay, this black wire is label number. Okay, okay, you can see the number. Alright, the black wire is label number 3. Okay. So this red wire is label number 4. Okay, and this white wire and the brown wire is label. Okay, okay, okay. This white and this brown wire is label number 5. Okay, and all this wire, okay, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all are connected to this condenser or capacitor. Alright. Okay, so this L. Okay, you can see this L got a brown wire here. This is okay. Okay, I label it incoming voltage. Okay, this brown wire. Okay, here is the incoming voltage. Okay, incoming voltage. Okay, so the second wire, the second brown wire at number 5. Okay, you can see. Okay, okay, this is number 5. Okay, this second brown wire at number 5. is the I label it output voltage. Okay, this second wire, okay, connected to the ceiling fan motor. Alright. Okay guys, we're going to look more detail at the selective switch and the capacitor. Alright. Okay, as the fan speed is set to 1, okay, the resistance is at the highest. Okay, so the voltage allowed is the lowest, so that cause the fan to be rotate at the lower speed. Okay, and as for the fan speed is set to 5, okay, the resistance is the lowest, okay, the voltage allowed is highest, and that cause the fan rotate at the higher speed. Okay, okay, everything is controlled here. Okay, they control the resistance. Alright, so this selective switch is functioned by controlling the resistance. Okay, now we look at the capacitor. Okay, here is the capacitor. Alright, okay, formerly known as the condenser. Okay, this capacitor is regulate the voltage to be supplied to the ceiling fan motor. Okay, as the fan speed is selected. Okay, more like a voltage regulator. Alright. Okay, for example, as the fan speed is set to 1, okay, the lowest voltage will be supplied to the ceiling fan motor, and so the ceiling fan will rotate at the lowest speed. Alright. Okay, now we look at the wiring system or the wiring diagram. Okay, if we look on this selective switch, okay, you can see this okay, this one is label L. Okay, label S is what? This one is a brown wire. Okay, this is a brown wire. Okay, label L. Alright. So there's another wire here is yellow. Yellow is actually label 1. Alright. Okay. Blue wire is label 2. Okay, you can see the number. Okay, this okay, this is black wire. Okay, black wire is label 3. Okay, label 3. Alright. Okay, red wire is number 4. Alright, and this is okay, white wire, and another brown wire is label as 5. And all this wire, yellow, blue, black, red and white is connected to the capacitor. Okay. So this brown wire that's label L is for the incoming voltage, and the brown wire at 5 is for the output voltage. Okay, this L brown wire, okay, I label it IV, input voltage. Okay, this second brown wire at 5, okay, I label it OV, okay, output voltage. Okay, so L brown wire, okay, IV is for the incoming. Okay, brown wire at 5, okay, OV, okay, we connect to the ceiling fan motor. Alright. Okay. Okay guys, I try to put this okay, wiring diagram, okay, on paper. Okay, just say okay, this the selective switch, right? Okay, and this is the capacitor, right? Right. Okay, we have a switch here. Okay, so this selective switch, we have a L here. L. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this a capacitor. Okay, this is the selective switch. Okay, ini wall switch. Alright. So here we have brown wire. Okay, brown. Okay, we have this brown wire. Okay, so okay, this number one, this yellow, this wire number one is a yellow wire. Okay, attached to capacitor. Okay, yellow. Okay, this two, number two is blue wire. Okay, okay, blue wire. Okay, number three is black wire. Okay, black. Okay, four is okay, red wire. Okay, and number five. Okay, number five is white wire. Okay, right. Number one is yellow, two is blue, three is black, four is red, five is white, all connected to this capacitor, right? Okay, we have a brown wire at L, we have a brown wire at 5. Okay, so okay, this is a power source, power. Okay, either MCB or DB. Okay, so we have this incoming live. Okay, right. So this is a switch. So this switch, okay, attached to this L. Okay, right. So here we have a ceiling fan. Okay, so ceiling fan. Okay, here is a live, neutral, earth. Okay, I draw a simple ceiling fan. Okay, right. So from MCB atau DB, we have earth wire. Okay, so we have a neutral wire. Okay, neutral. Okay, all right. So if you go to the selective switch, okay, this brown wire at 5 connect to the here. Okay, here is the motor fan of this here is the motor of this ceiling fan, right? Okay, I repeat. Okay, this number 5, this brown wire of number 5 connected to this motor of this ceiling fan live. Okay, this is the fan regulator. Okay, so fan regulator. Okay, I hope this video regarding ceiling fan regulator is informative and beneficial. Okay, stay tuned to my channel for more videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.